Oh, okay. Inside Illustrator, and I have a PDF on the desktop. I could go to File, Place, and I just want to locate the PDF. Okay, so there it is. Let's just place that down. You see it's giving me an option here in this version, but I'm just going to say it's coming in as media. And there we go. Okay, so this might be a photograph. The reason behind this is I'm bringing an image into Trace. And one problem with these designs that we're creating, if you look, you can see this one is already done. If I printed this off, I could cut it out and get some glue and make my little cube person. But what I want to do at the moment is use this to trace with the pen tool and so on, so I can create my own outlines and have a blank template, as it were. So I'm going to go to find my layers. So my layer palette, let's just make that a little bit smaller. Okay, I'm going to lock this layer. I could probably call this one Trace. Okay, I'm going to make a new layer. So on this layer, I might do individual pieces, but I'm just going to do this main part up here. So I could start by using the pen tool and, you know, Control plus to zoom in, and then use the space bar to move around. So again, normally you'd be wanting to zoom in to something like 400%. It just makes it a lot easier to go over the object that you want to trace. And here I'm going to turn off my fill. There we go, it just gives me a stroke as the outline there now. You know, so I can just carry on. We need to use the Alt and click just to get rid of that, and then come along. Okay, we can go right down here. So most of this is just position the pen and click to set the path. You know, so click here. I mean, this part here, it doesn't have to be precise, does it? Because I'm just using someone's work here as an example. Alt and click to get rid of that point sticking out. Then I can get a straight line back up here. And I think what I'm probably going to do is just trace the outside, and then I'll go here. See the small circle there? Let's close my path. Let's just save my document. Let's call this template. I need to acknowledge where I've got this from. It's a great little design. So that's on the blog post on I'll just call it template mu box and save that. Okay. Because I'm taking this into college, I'm going to have to go back to saving it as CS. And then this layer, obviously depending how complicated this is going to be, I could just call this let's just call that outline for the moment. I could lock that, and in fact I'll save that there. I'm going to stop there. If I turn the visibility off to the bottom layer, you can see I have traced that shape. So I've just gone around there, and that's what I'd use to cut around. In the next video we'll just look at putting the lines on here so we can see where we would glue and where we would fold and cut and so on. Okay, let's just stop there.